How to customize settings in Google News. If you want to customize your settings on the Google News app, remember that I'm actually doing this process from my mobile app, which is the Google News version of the app. But you can also repeat this process from the browser version. As we open the Google News app, this is the default interface that we're going to be able to see, which means from the bottom you can see we are on the Home tab. We can also come to the following tab to see the recently followed, library, saved stories, or some of the places as well. If we come to the news stand, we'll only be able to see the exclusive news from different news channels and headlines. Now to customize whatever settings that you mean to say, you can tap on your Google profile photo located at the top right hand side of the screen. When we've done that, first of all we can choose to turn on notifications for this. We can also choose to simply go to your activity. Not, you can go to this option called News Settings in the gear icon. So under alerts, again you can customize the notifications like get notifications, number of notifications, breaking news, headlines, featured content, and vice versa, and other miscellaneous settings. You can also choose a languages and region of interest. Now common language would be English and region would be depending upon whatever region you're from. You can also choose to add other languages. As for the theme, you can choose as a system default, which means if your phone or your device is in light theme, it will switch to light or vice versa. Otherwise, you can set this to always and never. If you want a mini card like slot, you can enable that. Sources and topics you see lots of, you can go ahead and select that. You can turn on data saver mode, which will not display some of the videos and autoplay them, hopefully to save some amount of data. You can go to temperature units and you can customize it depending upon the region, what is more common for you, whether in Fahrenheit, Celsius, or measured in Kelvin. So these are about the number of settings that you can choose to change from your Google News settings. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.